With every new iOS version, there's bound to be something that doesn't work right. With iOS 12, there are quite a few people finding that CarPlay doesn't work since updating their iPhones. Let's take a look at some of the most common issues and how to fix them. Issues with simply getting CarPlay up and running seem to be the most common issue with the iOS 12 update. If you find your car won't start up CarPlay, there's a couple of things you can try. First, make sure you're using a reputable USB cable. The first-party cable that came with your iPhone is always a good option. And there's also plenty of solid third-party cables, but there's also a lot of cheap cables out there too. For some reason, switching up USB cables sometimes fixes the issue. Every vehicle has different quirks when troubleshooting CarPlay, and many seem unable to work right when maintaining a Bluetooth connection to either your phone or previous phones. If you're having issues with CarPlay, dig into the Bluetooth settings in your car's infotainment center and get rid of any connections hanging around. Another thing you can do is to check your iPhone to see if you have any other CarPlay vehicles hooked up. You can do this by going to Settings, General, and CarPlay. Just swipe on a vehicle and tap Forget to get rid of it. Also, it's not a bad idea to delete your current vehicle's connection here and set it up again. Some people are finding specifically that Spotify no longer works with CarPlay after updating to iOS 12. Music still plays from Spotify, but the complaint is opening the Spotify app in CarPlay only brings up a black screen. Trying all the usual fixes is a good start here. Close and reopen the Spotify app, and so on. But what does seem to be an issue for a lot of people is the Waze and Spotify integration when using CarPlay. Waze is a new addition to CarPlay in iOS 12, which a lot of people are thrilled about. But if you have the Waze and Spotify integration activated in the Waze setting, try turning that off. Turning it off should fix your Spotify issue in CarPlay. Alright guys, I hope one of these tips have helped resolve whatever issues you've had getting CarPlay up and running on iOS 12. If it's still not working, check out our full article on appletoolbox.com for some other more detailed suggestions. The link will be in the description. Well, that does it for this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later!